So the design organization approval was a commitment from my side to Rakesh when we recently met, that as a sign of support, how the ministry wants to promote this whole industry. I'm going to keep up my word, and I'm very happy that we have kept my word and we have given you the design organization approval. I had the opportunity to meet them in 24 itself. I was very new to the ministry, and I was also like a student trying to learn what the ministry has to offer and what is happening. The eVTOLs came up and I was so happy. I was like cross-checking. eVTOL says in Ministry of Civil Aviation. Are you sure? It is under me. So I felt so happy because it offered me a opportunity to look into the future, to contribute towards the future, to look at something which is going to drive how the Indian citizen is going to move around in the future itself. Very soon into me taking charge, I met the team. Rakesh, you were there at the time. Adrian was definitely there, someone you can not forget once you meet him. He told me that looking at how India is looking at innovation, looking at how India is looking at this futuristic technologies, I felt that this is the right place to be at this moment. And you wouldn't have made me or this country more proud of what you have said, but you're living up to what you have said also. And then I was going to Tamil Nadu for election campaigning, and randomly I just landed and I saw the Sarla Aviation team there. So I had the opportunity to see one prototype that was lying there. So I felt that there is some connection more than just being a Minister of Civil Aviation. I've almost become like your biggest cheerleader, your biggest supporter. West nearly took 10 years to publish the standards for these aircraft. But we published the framework within 13 months. So that is the speed at which we are working here today. And moving with that speed and focus and that mindset that we also have to be collective partner in this technology. There is no point for us at this stage to look at the West or look at these countries and say that, okay, you do something, then I'm going to look at you and do something in my country. Let us work with what the industry is doing within the country. Let us grow with them. Let us evolve with them. And let us see what framework we need to evolve with the know-how and expertise we have. The regulator himself is a partner in this technology, and he is also co-evolving along with the industry. I think that the whole shift in the mindset has also given us a great boost in the speed that we are looking at. The immediate application that India can benefit from this air taxis is how we redesign our urban cities. We want to have a low altitude traffic control where we are going to see air taxis. We want to see drone ecosystem also flourish. So we want to have a separate air traffic control for these low altitude vehicles, which is also going to seamlessly work together to ensure that this is not only for a certain class of people or certain segment or just sticking with the urban areas or these metropolitan cities. We have to ensure that these kind of machines fly everywhere in the country. So the expectations and the responsibility on the shoulders of you is very, very high. I've come here not only to remind you of that responsibility, but to also tell you that I also carry that responsibility along with you. I will, like I said, I'm going to be your biggest cheerleader, your biggest supporter, and anytime you feel that there is a wall that is there in front of you, let me come with the power that I can have and let me break that wall for you. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. You are in Bangalore, so I'd prefer you have one headquarters in Delhi also.